Do you know that the calcium supplement you are taking to treat your osteoarthritis is not going to do anything? Now, if you have been diagnosed to have osteoarthritis and then you are using calcium supplements, believe me, it's not going to do anything in terms of treatment of the osteoarthritis. So the calcium supplement is just to strengthen your bone. It has nothing to do with treatment of osteoarthritis. Now, osteoarthritis is just an inflammation that is going on in the joint. What happens is the cartilage is wearing out of the cartilage. Calcium is not going to replace this cartilage. It's not going to reduce the pain. It's not going to reduce the swelling. It's not going to do anything. So what calcium will do is to strengthen your bone. Simple. So basically what you need is adequate exercise. If you are obese, you might need to work on your weight. By the time you do that, I'm sure you'll see a lot of improvements. There are some joint multivitamins too that you can take, which might be helpful, but using calcium is not going to do anything as regards osteoarthritis. Thank you for time. Help share for more tips. Bye.